guys, we are back with another new exciting video. So today we are going to talk about the top 10 cold wars in Nepali film industry. So you know what, when it comes to cinemas, celebs always want to be in the headlines every now and then. We have been listening to controversies between many popular Hollywood and Bollywood actors and actresses, and this is not new in the big film industries. But the small film industries like Nepali film industries are also having malicious gossips allied to the Cold War between K-town celebs. And here we present the 10 of them, so let's get started. So on number 10 we have Barsha Raut and Birsa Sibakoti. Two actresses of Nepali film industry, Birsa Squares, are not having a good relationship. There are rumors of a tiff between these two K-town stars. Although they haven't openly shared their feelings in public, but according to the sources, they don't like to share the same on screen, and we can hardly see them together. Number 9. Priyanka Karki and Paramita Rajyalakshmi Rana. Actresses Priyanka Karki and Paramita Rana are having rough relations, and the main cause is Ayushmann Joshi. Ayushmann, who once decided to marry Paramita, is now married to Priyanka Karki. Due to this, the relation between Priyanka and Paramita has become worst. It is in the news that love relation between Ayushmann and Paramita was broken due to Priyanka. The increasing love between Ayushmann and Priyanka has led to a bitter relation between these two actresses. On number 8, we have Samragya Rajyalakshmi Shah and Renasha Rai. The lead actress of the film Into Mintu London Ma has unpleasant relationship with the director herself. Samragya and Renasha are having problems with each other since the shooting time. Leaving the promotional work of the film behind, the actress flew to Japan, which made the director furious. But they haven't uttered a word on their poor relation. Number 7. Samragya Rajyalakshmi Shah and Dheeraj Magar. Again, the lead star cast of the film Into Mintu London Ma are having grudges in their friendship. The reason for this was unsupportive nature of Samragya. During the promotion events, Samragya flew to Japan, due to which Dheeraj and Renasha, the director, had to promote the film, missing the lead actress. For this reason, Dheeraj and Samragya are not having a satisfactory relation. Number 6. Deepak Rajgiri and Nirmal Sharma. Deepak Rajgiri and Nirmal Sharma's friendship that started from the Nepali sitcom Tito Satya continued for 15 years. They jointly made hit films like Vada Number Cha, Cha Ikan Cha and Chakka Panja. But now their team-up has been broken. Nirmal, who was the creative team member of Chakka Panja, was supposed to collaborate with them again for its sequel. But in the latest Chakka Panja 3 movie, team of Deepak Rajgiri removed the name of Nirmal Sharma from the film. This led to the controversial fight between these two actors. Number 5. Richa Sharma and Chakka Panja team. In an event, Richa Sharma presented her views on the content and performance of the Chakka Panja. The actor opined that the film is belittling the women and promoting domestic torture against women. After that, Chakka Panja team fired back at Sharma's words and reposted a series of Facebook posts demeaning the actor by get well soon remarks. It then started a heated controversies between these actors. Number 4. Pradeep Khadka and Milan Chams. Pradeep Khadka was the lead actor of Milan Chams' directed film Lili Billi. Milan publicly confirmed the bad relations with Pradeep in an event. Once, Milan's words were full of compliment for Pradeep, but now he has many problems with him. This all was started when Pradeep said that he was the main reason for the success of the film. This statement made their bond weaker. On number 3, we have Rajesh Hamal and Bhuvan Kesi. Being given the title of Superstar Akka Mahanayak to Rajesh Hamal, Bhuvan has been showing his anger in different media interviews. Due to the jealousy or any other reason, Bhuvan is criticizing Rajesh openly in media, whereas there is no response from Rajesh Hamal. Similarly, Rekha Thapa is also having the problem with the actor due to his attitude towards co-actors off-screen. Number 2. Sushma Karki and Pooja Sharma. The catfight between these two actresses is creating buzz these days, and we can see that there is heated discussions going on in an internet. Sushma Karki is criticizing Pooja Sharma publicly. She is still in the rage of attacking Pooja with her words. In an interview, she said inappropriate things to Pooja in national television. After that, the relation between them is even worse. According to the sources, the reason for this fight could be the ex-boyfriend of Sushma Karki. Number 1. Rajesh Amal and Deepak Majhi. As we all know, Yug Dekhi Yug Samma was the first debut film of Rajesh Amal, but he was first chosen for Bhagya Rekha by his uncle Deepak. But due to the increasing relation between Hamal and Christy Casey, Christy was replaced by Maushami Malla. After this, the relation between uncle and nephew wasn't good, so Deepak replaced Rajesh Amal too. After the failure of Bhagya Rekha, Deepak realized his mistake and made the new film starring Rajesh Amal and Christy Casey, Yug Dekhi Yug Samma, the first film of Rajesh Amal. So this was the first controversy of Nepali film industry. So this was all for this video. I hope you liked it, and please like, share and subscribe our channel for other exclusive contents. We will be uploading the next video soon. Till then, goodbye, stay safe and stay healthy.